We spent weeks living with 5 standout juicers, putting them through everyday routines, from rushed mornings to weekend wellness rituals. Whether you're a cold press purist or a speed-hungry multitasker, there's something here for you. Omega VSJ843QS. This vertical, slow-masticating juicer is a quiet powerhouse. Operating at just 43 RPM, it extracts juice with precision, preserving nutrients and flavor while keeping oxidation low. Its compact design fits snugly on any countertop, and the automatic pulp ejection means less mess and more flow. Ideal for those who juice daily and value quality over speed, it handled leafy greens, hard veggies, and soft fruits with equal finesse. The juice came out rich, smooth, and vibrant, exactly what you'd expect from a premium cold press. Check the description for product links and best prices. This is the kind of juicer that earns a permanent spot in your kitchen. Hurom's H400 is a sleek, award-winning machine that redefines hands-free juicing. With its wide-mouth hopper and self-feeding design, prepping ingredients becomes almost optional. Drop in whole apples, oranges, or carrots, and let it do the rest. Cleanup is refreshingly simple thanks to its strainer-free system, and the juice output is consistently smooth and pulp light. Perfect for busy households or anyone who wants fresh juice without the prep drama. It blends style, function, and ease like few others. Tap the description for product links and deals. This is the juicer that turns too busy into freshly juiced. Nama's J2 is designed for efficiency and sustainability. Its wide hopper allows full recipe loading, so you can toss in everything at once. No chopping, no waiting. The machine extracts maximum juice with minimal pulp, leaving behind impressively dry waste. Cleanup is fast and the build quality feels premium. It's a dream for health-conscious users who want to juice smarter, not harder. Whether it's kale, ginger, or pineapple, the J2 delivers vibrant juice with minimal effort and zero compromise. Hit the description for product links and best prices. This is the juicer that makes clean eating ridiculously easy. For those who value speed, Breville's Juice Fountain Cold is a standout. With its powerful centrifugal system and cold spin technology, it delivers up to 70 fluid ounces of juice in under a minute, without sacrificing nutrients. The wide chute handles whole fruits with ease, and the sleek design fits well in modern kitchens. It's perfect for families, meal preppers, or anyone who wants fresh juice fast. Despite its speed, the juice quality holds up with bright flavor and minimal foam. Check the description for product links and deals. This is the juicer that proves fast can still mean fresh. NutriBullet Juicer Pro is a compact centrifugal machine that punches above its weight. With 1,000 watts of power and a 27-ounce capacity, it's ideal for small households or solo juicers. It handled tough produce like beets and carrots without flinching, and the included accessories made food prep and cleanup surprisingly smooth. It's a great entry point for those new to juicing or anyone tight on space who still wants serious performance. Stylish, efficient, and easy to use. It's proof that you don't need a massive machine to get great results. Tap the description for product links and best prices. This is the juicer that fits your lifestyle without crowding your counter. Each of these juicers brings something unique to the table. Whether you're chasing nutrient-rich cold press juice, looking for hands-free convenience, or just want something fast and reliable, there's a perfect match waiting. We explored how they perform in real kitchens under real routines, and the differences are more than just specs. Drop a comment with your favorite and let us know how juicing fits into your day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links and best prices. Your juice journey starts here.